Mommy, I'm bored. Mommy, there's nothing to do.
Mommy, will you play with me?
We love our kids, but they're demanding. What do we do when we need a break? We could turn on the TV or let them play on a device, but studies show screens lower attention span, increase cortisol, making most kids feel more stress, and can cause developmental delays. What if our kids were busy creating, not consuming, while we work at home? What if we could engage our kids in peaceful play without using screens? I'm Stephanie Anderson. We had 3 kids in 5 years, and I've spent hundreds of hours researching the best ways to entertain kids that boost brain power and activities that are screen-free. Through lots of testing with our own kids and dozens of others, we've taken the longest-lasting activities, curated them together, packaged them up, and are sending them directly to your doorstep. A Peaceful Play Box is a quarterly subscription box filled with imagination-fueling stories, brain-boosting Montessori, Waldorf, and Reggio-based tools and toys, a full 10 weeks of STEM challenges and projects, soothing sensory and artful activities, and best of all, minimal plastic so the toys look beautiful out on a small table or shelf. Rotate the boxes each season, and you not only will keep your kids playing happily, but you won't have to deal with a bunch of plastic toys taking over your living room. Here's what our testers are saying. The box is truly a lifesaver for parents who want to teach their kids independent play. I love all the activities. All I had to do was go to the mailbox. They ask for the Peaceful Play Box every time I put it away for a day. You can tell the box was put together with lots of thought as to what keeps little kids occupied. I can't wait for the next one. I love that it supports creative, independent play. Give the gift of time to a busy mom. Go to peacefulplaybox.com and order your box now.